Hello and welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name is Jannelle and we do all things curly and then some. Today, this is going to be a quick video, but it was so highly requested on Instagram that we're doing it here. So I am just going to demonstrate a few really easy hairstyles to do when you want your hair out of your face, when you are on a non-wash day and you don't feel like refreshing. Just any point in time, these are wonderful. Typically I do them on non-wash days, so like day 3, day 4, curls, when my curls are kind of stretched out and I don't feel like refreshing. Tonight I'm doing it on wash day just because that is how the cookie crumbled. So, but they work at any time, and I actually tend to prefer the look of on a day like refresh where your hair is a little bit more voluminous and kind of wild and free. It gives it that look. So before we jump into that, if you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you are at it, turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss a thing. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so all you need for this is your choice. Little doodad. I typically just use a hair tie, and then if you also want a more structured look, I'd make sure to have bobby pins on hand. Also, this is an ouchless, it's one of the goodie hair ties. Ouchless, no seam. Okay, so the first thing that we are doing is similar to a half up. It's quarter up, I guess. So we're gonna do a half up as well, but we're just gonna start with this one. So pretty much I come from the temples. Does not have to be exact, I just use that as a guide. Come, and then I pull this little section back. You can kind of play with it, play with how your hair parts, if you want to add more or less, but the idea is just to have a small little section that it essentially brings you to kind of the middle and top of your head. So see, there's no, I didn't check it, just kind of go back in a V shape. Then we're just going to use a rubber band to secure. I personally like to go a little bit tighter and then kind of loosen, and I'll do this a few times and play with the placement of it. You just want it to lay on either side. That's crooked. So just like any other ponytail, if you just kind of pull like side to side, you can kind of direct it which way you want it to go. And there you go. Just cute little pony right on the top, kind of spices things up a bit. Style Fiend does something similar. It's really great, and she uses it to get her bangs out of her face when she's growing them out. So, okay, so for this one, we are gonna go half up. So when I do half up, I like to have a little bit of hair down. So I come in right above my ears, and then I'll scoop this hair, and then I'll make the V. And this V, you're going more back, like to the back of your head. And then just lightly separate the curls. And then this one, we're going to secure a little bit further back. And feel free like to bring, if you want to have a little bit more curls on either side, don't be afraid to pull those curls down. And then we're gonna just secure this back. Fluff, and there you go, it's half up. You can see that me kind of going up towards the top. Almost the exact same thing as what we did last time, just bring the pony a little bit further back. And as you can see, it gives just a little bit different of a look. So from here, the next one is pretty easy. We are just going to convert this to a top bun. So we're going to take our pony, we're just going to twist it and then twist it around itself. Now here you can either use a bobby pin. I personally just like to use the elastic that's already in my hair. I'm just going to find it, open it, and then push that pony in. You can kind of tighten, play with the placement. And if you want it to be smaller, you can use a few bobby pins, and you can also direct a little bit more of the hair into the elastic. There you go. Okay, so next up, we're gonna go for a pony, and I'm going to use this little doodad because I've been loving it. So, pony is easy. Just scoop up, bring it to the top. And before you secure, if you want loose hairs, grab them. You can go around once. I like to go around twice so that it's staying nice and secure. And then with this, you can pull it all over so it has a very pineapple-y look. You can tighten it kind of down and this way so that it has more of a high pony look. And then if you want to really spice things up, you can wrap it and make it a bun. So same concept, you can just wrap this right in to the elastic. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna go back into a high pony again, but a little bit different. So we're going to grab these hairs. You also wanna grab one or two here and there. You can. I prefer to bring them up. So bring these hairs back down. Twice. And then same concept here, if you want ponytail, if you want pineapple look, either one works. Maybe we will pull a little curl down. If you like a more polished look, you can use bobby pins to secure these small hairs in the back. Okay, so now we are going to do a low pony. You're just lightly pulling everything together. You can leave as much hair in or out as you want. So I like to tighten it. And then I like to lightly pull at my roots so that it's got a loose vibe. And then just kind of play with your hairs as you want them. Got some really hydrated curls today, so they're pretty much just staying right here. You can separate a little bit. Low pony. So can you guess now? We're going to convert this to a low bun. So you're just going to take your ponytail, same thing, twist, wrap it around itself, and into the elastic. You can also use bobby pins, but I like easy. Okay, so here we're just going to take these top layers, just grab it like that, whatever amount, doesn't matter. And then we're going to bring them back to meet. Or bring a hair out of here, you can. You can also do that securing with bobby pins or even like a small little clip. And then just kind of play with it until you get it to where you want. And done. So there you have it, quick and easy hairstyles for when you need to just spice things up. Hope this tutorial for basic curly hairstyles helped you out. Again, my name is Jannelle. Thank you so much for joining. If you haven't already slammed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you are at it, because I do not want you to miss a thing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.